Want to extend OpenOffice or LibreOffice functionality with an OXT extension file? These add-ons enhance your Office suite dramatically. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install and manage OpenOffice extension files for productivity enhancements. Don't close the guide if the OXT file doesn't open right away. We have an unconventional high success rate method designed for deep format errors. An .oxt file is an extension package used to add new features to Apache OpenOffice or its popular successor, LibreOffice. Users download these files to install add-ons like new templates, grammar checkers, or data import tools. The file is meant to be installed via the suite's extension manager, not opened directly. The .oxt format is a standard zip archive that has been renamed. It contains a structured collection of XML configuration files, scripts, e.g., Python, BASIC, and other resources. This package design allows for the simple distribution and automated installation of complex functionality into the host application. The document foundation defined LibreOffice as the application primarily intended for OXT. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows cannot show what they do, so they must be handled through supported applications. We'll initiate a comprehensive scan of potential openers. Right-click your OXT file and select Open With. Test LibreOffice if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates confusion. If your OXT file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, installing the extension. Open OpenOffice or LibreOffice and use Tools, then Extension Manager. Click Add and navigate to the OXT file location. The extension installs with appropriate permissions becoming available in the Office suite. Restart the application if prompted to complete installation. The new functionality appears in menus, toolbars, or as document features depending on the extension type. Next, managing extensions. Use the Extension Manager to enable, disable, or remove installed extensions. View extension details, including version, author, and license information. Update extensions periodically by checking for newer versions through the Manager or extension developer websites for security patches and feature enhancements, maintaining current functionality across your installed extension library. Finally, finding extensions. Browse extensions, OpenOffice.org and extensions.LibreOffice.org for thousands of available OXT extensions, covering language tools, writing aids, document, templates, database connectors, and specialized functionality. Read user reviews and verify compatibility with your Office suite version before installation. Active development communities maintain extensions for diverse productivity and specialized professional needs. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.